1.5 kilograms of chicken. Add soy sauce. Add Mexican sauce. Add sweet chili sauce. Squeeze lemon. Add salt. Massage the chicken. Add lemon inside the chicken. Add coriander leaves. Cut spring onion. Pour oil on the pan. Add the chicken. Put the lid back on after 10 minutes. Now open the lid. Garlic, paprika paste mixture. Mix well. Put the lid back on for 30 minutes. Add Schweppes juice and add lid for 10 minutes. Add lid for 15 minutes. Add chili flakes. Corn flour. Add spring onion. Add lid after 3 minutes.
Now serve the food.
Like and subscribe if you enjoy our videos.